Hello! And I know I look like a hot mess. It's my day off and I don't really care. Now today, I get to hang out with this little stinker, but we're gonna have this for dinner tonight. This is a Crockpot hearty beef stew seasoning mix. It's gluten-free and I found it in the Dollarama. Oh, I know, okay. So I thought I'd give this a try and figured I'd bring you guys along with me. Sorry, I thought I smelled I got some pucker butt on me. Anyway, I gotta clean that up. We're gonna get started on this, so be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I had to deal with a little kitten. He's still learning to use, oh, you're falling. There we go. He's still learning to use the litter box. Okay, so this is really simple to use actually. There's not very many like scary ingredients in it or anything. But you want 2 pounds of beef, stewing beef. I don't have 2 pounds, about a pound, which is fine. 5 cups of vegetables, that won't be difficult. 1 package of this, and 1 1/3 cups of water. I'm gonna use stock of some kind. But yeah, okay, we're gonna use this up before it expires. December 22nd, we're good. Okay, be right back after everything is chopped up. Alright, so you can see, I got both your angles set up. Hopefully this is going to work out better. I still don't know why it was double screened last time. I don't know. We'll get this figured out, guys. So you can see I got my crock pot here. I did brown up the beef. That's just because that's the way we prefer it. And in here we have got some of those potatoes we grew in the garden. We also got, ow, a pumpkin trying to climb up my leg. We've got leeks in here. We've got some carrots in here. That's all going in. Okay. I also have 1 cup of the cremini mushrooms. We're going to put that in as well. I did drain it just because we are using a jar of the mushroom broth. And this is 2 cups. And the packet said to add 1 1/3 cup. So we're adding a little bit extra liquid. Hopefully that's all right. We're gonna find out. And I am going to add some of these dehydrated, oh, you're up there. Some of these dehydrated red onions. I've got a nice chunk there, so we're just gonna add that in. And yes, I am going to be eating this. I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying to add some mushrooms in just to see how much I'm able to eat. Okay, so we're just going to try and get this powder down. There we go. Cut it open. Now it says to let this cook for, what was it? I think just the regular like amount of time. 8 hours on low, 4 hours on high. We're going to do the 8 hours on. Oh! Oh! We're going to put that in there. Because that happens. Is this a putt? Is this a putt? Okay. Sorry, guys. I have to have you set up on this side. And I'm right-handed, so I do everything with this hand. So I can't help it. I'm sorry. Eventually, I'm going to have some lighting in the kitchen where I don't have to have you on the side that I always stir with. Oh, this smells really good. That smells really, really good. Okay. Now, in a couple hours, in a few hours, I will bring you guys back I'll have all these dishes dealt with by that point. And we're going to put some frozen carrots, not frozen carrots, sorry, some frozen corn and some frozen peas in just to add a little bit more to this stew. Okay, so we'll be back in a couple hours and we'll check on this and see how it's going. Okay? Okay, be back. All right, so it's just about 2 o'clock. So it's been cooking for about, I don't know, it's been cooking for a bit now. I don't remember when I did it, sorry. But I know it is smelling really good. And like, I know you guys can see right in there. It looks like you can see right in there anyway. And earlier, I did not realize it. This camera here was so smudged, I never noticed until I went to go take the card out of it and I noticed it. But this is looking really good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add, I thought I had carrots. I could have sworn I had frozen carrots, but I guess I don't. So I just increase the amount of peas that I'm putting in. I'm just gonna get that in. This feels so awkward stirring with this hand. That's okay. It smells really good. It looks really good. I think this is gonna turn out pretty good. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is just close the lid up and I'm gonna let it cook for another 3-ish hours. And we'll be back. Okay? Okay. So it is now 4:30. I'm gonna turn the crock pot off. It smells really, really good. Now I haven't added any salt or pepper or anything to it. It just thickened up. It thickened up. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. It thickened up quite well, actually. Because there was cornstarch in that mix. I know it looks like it's mostly potatoes, doesn't it? That's okay. We're going to scoop out some. Now, how do you guys like, oh, there you are. How do you guys like your, ooh, your stew? I like mine with bread to dip. And I have seen people eat it with crackers. Not my thing, but how do you guys, you know, like yours? Let's, this is going to be hot. Just take a look at that. Gosh, it's gorgeous. Right? It's gorgeous. Oh, I hate that. My eye's been doing that all day today. I'm just trying to get a little bit of the gravy there. Eventually my eye will stop twitching. Oh, that is really good. I'll definitely be getting another one of those packages again. I don't, you know, I think it could use some salt, but it's good. But we're gonna let that cool down and let this cool down before we, you know, go and eat anymore. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like, oh, there goes my eye again. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And I'll be talking to everybody again really soon. Bye.